Good morning. I am D. Gopi, lecturer in commerce, Go Degree College, Bodhan. So today we are explain managerial accounting, BCom 6th semester. So already we are explained last class 23rd problem. In chapter name is marginal costing. So 24th problem is now explained. So here ప్రస్తుత కాలంనకు జాక్ కంపెనీ వారి వ్యాపార అనుభవం ప్రకారం వారి వివరాలు కింది విధంగా ఉన్నాయి. సేల్స్ టోటల్ సేల్స్ ఆర్ 20 lakhs, 10,000 unit per 200 rupees. Total 20 lakhs, 10,000 units into 200, 20 lakhs. Next to fixed cost. Total fixed cost are 5,40,000. Variable cost total 14 lakhs. So 19 lakhs 60,000. So remaining profit 60,000. Direct to materials 2 lakhs only in variable cost. Direct to wages cost 6 lakhs. Administration expenses 1,80,000 in fixed cost. Variable cost is 80,000. Other expenses 2 lakhs in fixed cost and 1,20,000 is variable cost. So total cost is fixed cost 5,40,000, variable cost is 14 lakhs, total 19 lakhs. Total sales minus total expenses. Total sales are 20 lakhs, total expenses are 19 lakhs 40,000. So profit is 60,000. So now we are calculate break even point in units. బీపీ లాభ నష్ట రహిత బిందు యూనిట్లలో మరియు అమ్మకాల విలువలోను కనుక్కోండి. కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్ నిష్పత్తిని ఉపయోగిస్తూ లాభ నష్ట రహిత బిందువును తెలపండి. సెకండ్ ఏం కనుక్కోమన్నాడు? 96,000 నికర లాభం ఆర్జించడానికి ఎంత అమ్మకాలు జరపవాలని రూపాయల విలువలో తెలపండి. స్థిర ఖర్చులు 18,000 పెంచితే లాభ నష్ట రహిత బిందు యూనిట్లు తెలపండి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేద్దామంటే బీపీ ఇన్ యూనిట్స్లలో. So question sales. Total sales are 20 lakhs. Fixed cost 5,40,000. Variable cost 14 lakhs. Profit units in sales units are 200 units. Sales units. Next to variable units. Here only variable expenses are there, 14 lakhs. Total units are 10,000 units. So variable units 14 lakhs divided by 10,000 units. 3 zeros and 1 zero cancel. So variable units are 140. So the next BEP break even point in units equation is F by SPU minus VPU. Fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable price per unit. fixed cost is, in this question, fixed cost 5,40,000 divided by SPU 200, VPU 140. So 5,40,000 divided by 60 rupees. So 0 cancel. 54,000 divided by so BP units are 9,000. Next, BP sales in only units are 9,000. BP sales equation BP units into SPU, selling price per unit. So BP units are 9,000 into selling price per unit is 200. So 9,000 into 200, 18 lakhs. BPU sales are 18 lakhs. So first answer is completed. So A 9,000 units, so 9,000 units, and BP units are 18 lakhs, so 18 lakhs. Next is calculated 9,000 net profit, how much sales. So equation is next to contribution ratio also calculate, so no problem. Estimation sales B. Estimation into 100 divided by S minus V. Fixed cost is 5,40,000. 5,40,000 plus estimation profit is, in this question, 96,000. 96,000 into SR, sales are 20 lakhs divided by S, 20 lakhs minus variable cost or 14 lakhs. 5,40,000 plus 96,000, 6,36,000 into 20 lakhs divided by 20 lakhs minus 14 lakhs, 6 lakhs. 12,72,000 divided by 600, so 0 cancel. 21,20,000. So second is answer also completed, 21,20,000. The next ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు, so BP in units equation is fixed cost by SPU minus VPU. So fixed cost is 5,40,000 So 5,40,000 plus 18,000 increased divided by SPU 200, VPU 140. So 5,58,000 divided by 160. Only 60. So answer is 9,300 units. 9,300 units. C answer is 9,300 units. So this is 24th column is now explained. First we are calculate BP sales. BP units are 9,000. BP sales are 18 lakhs. Estimation sales equation F plus estimation profit into sales divided by sales minus variable cost. So implementation in amount. Next to BP units, fixed cost. So 18,000 fixed cost increased. 18,000 fixed cost is increased. Is it fixed cost is 18,000 divided by 200 SPU VPU 140. 5,58,000 divided by 60. So total 9,300 units. సో ఇది ఎప్పుడు అంటే 18,000 స్థిర ఖర్చులు పెంచితే 9,300 యూనిట్లు లాభ నష్ట రహిత బిందువు.